Today is a vlog style video that was actually highly requested on Instagram. I'm going to show you what a plant-based pregnancy looks like. So it's basically a day in the life of a pregnant vegan. Let's go. Hey y'all, hey, it's Renne. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Today I'm going to document in real time what I eat in a day as a pregnant vegan. So this is going to be your inside look into a plant-based pregnancy. Now the first thing that I do in the morning is I reach over to my nightstand and I get my liter of water. So before I go to bed at night, I fill up my hydro flask with a liter of water, and I drink half of it when I wake up, and then I drink the other half when I go work out. So now time for my workout, and this is where I'll drink the other half liter of water. This is actually the gym. It's pretty much already done. Just need to hang up like this artwork and do some extra painting. Took us a few months to get our basement done, but we're really excited to like finally be able to use it now. Breakfast time. For breakfast, I have a bowl of oatmeal, seasoned with some allspice and maple syrup, and then dates. So a study was done to show that women who ate 6 dates a day about a month leading up to birth ended up having much easier labors. So dates are great as long as you don't have diabetes. After eating breakfast and working out, then it's time for a 1-hour walk, which I find to be really helpful. It keeps me active at a bare minimum, you know, just in case, let's say I didn't have time to work out that day. I know at least I walk for 1 hour every day, and that keeps me going. You ready, buddy? You ready, buddy? So when you get pregnant, you want to add an extra 300 calories per day to what you normally eat. There's this gross misinterpretation of the term eating for two. You're not eating for two fully grown human beings. You're eating for yourself and then something that's like this small. So 300 calories is as simple as an apple and peanut butter. That's it. Now, because I burn calories when I go on my 1-hour walk, and I want to make sure I'm getting my extra 300 calories per day now that I'm pregnant, after I go for my walk, I go back home and I'll eat a snack to replenish those calories that I burned to make up for that loss. Post-workout snack. I'm basically just going to replenish those calories that I burned during my 1-hour walk with Mr. Caden. And he actually loves apples too, so I will usually cut an apple for me, and then I'll give him like just a couple slices with his breakfast. And now my turn. So satisfying. Now it's time for lunch. Yeah. So this only took maybe 30 minutes to put together. It's a curry fried rice. Just add some lime juice. I made enough for 2 people and several servings so that we can have this throughout the week. Carl can also try this when he comes home from work. So I've refilled my 1-liter water bottle, and I'm going to also have a vegan vitamin and a prenatal vitamin and enjoy this very delicious lunch. So good. It is almost 3 o'clock and I have a podcast interview at 3. So by the time the interview is over, I should be ready to eat my mid-afternoon snack. It should be around 4 o'clock. And then after that, probably just dinner and that's a wrap. Down into the basement I go. Basement updates coming soon. Still not done with the new office, but this is what it's looking like so far.
How are you?
I'm good. So I just got finished recording a podcast interview and it's about 4 o'clock now. So it's about time for my mid-afternoon snack. So I'm gonna go upstairs and make that. All right, so here is my afternoon snack. So very easy to make, 3-minute snack, nothing fancy. Just mash some avocado together, put some lime juice in it, and some salt. The bread that I use is Dave's Killer Bread. It's got 5 grams of protein per slice. So that's 5 grams of protein right there, 5 grams of protein right there. Overall, this is a 13-gram protein snack. Simple and delicious. Okay, home stretch. It's now dinner time. So for dinner, we have leftovers to choose from. Carl cooked and meal prepped on Sunday. And then this is all the stuff that I cooked today. I made like 8 servings. But today, for dinner, I'm just gonna have the flatbread. For anyone who's new to plant-based, I definitely recommend maybe trying Purple Carrot or Green Chef, like one of those like plant-based recipe delivery services, because they send you recipes to try and they'll send the ingredients and all you gotta do is cook it. I'm just gonna take 4 of these and that'll be 1 serving. This is 15 grams of protein and 530 calories. So with this final meal, I have officially hit my goal for the day.